The first AI employees are already here. Not chatbots, not assistants, actual digital workers. And they don't sleep, they don't complain, and they're getting cheaper every month. For years, AI could only answer questions. Now it can take actions. AI agents can browse websites, send emails, analyze spreadsheets, write code, create presentations, and even manage workflows automatically. One person can now operate like an entire company. This is not another tech trend. This changes the economics of business itself. Companies no longer need massive teams to scale. A founder with the right AI systems can outperform entire departments. Smaller teams, lower costs, faster execution. Startups are already replacing customer support teams with AI agents. Marketing workflows are becoming automated. Programmers are using AI to produce days of work in hours. Some companies are quietly freezing hiring altogether. The dangerous part isn't that AI replaces humans, it's that humans using AI replace humans who don't. The people who adapt first will gain leverage at a scale we've never seen before. We are entering the era of one-person empires, small groups with massive output, automated businesses, digital employees working 24/7, and this is only the beginning. The companies of the future may not have thousands of employees. They may only need a few humans and an army of AI agents.